Welcome back to Drive Pulse, where we dive into the world of classic and modern cars. Today we have an exciting topic: the stunning 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air, a modern homage to the iconic 1958 model that has captured the hearts of car enthusiasts for decades. As we step into this beauty, let's take a moment to appreciate its design. The 2025 Bel Air perfectly balances retro charm with contemporary flair. The sleek lines and chrome accents evoke the classic 1958 model, while innovative design elements like LED headlights and a sculpted body bring it into the 21st century. The signature two-tone paint job is back, giving it that nostalgic feel but with a modern twist that sets it apart on the road. Under the hood, the new Bel Air offers a powerful engine lineup, including a turbocharged inline-4 and a robust V8 option, ensuring you get the performance to match its looks. The handling is impressive, with advanced suspension systems that provide a smooth ride, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating tight corners. This car is not just about aesthetics, it's built for driving enthusiasts. Inside, the cabin is a blend of vintage inspiration and modern technology. You'll find plush leather seats, a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large touchscreen, and classic dashboard elements that harken back to the original. The mix of old and new creates a comfortable, stylish atmosphere that makes every drive a pleasure. In terms of safety, the 2025 Bel Air comes equipped with the latest features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a comprehensive airbag system. Chevrolet has ensured that while you enjoy the classic feel of the car, you also benefit from modern safety technology. So, what do we think of the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air? It's a brilliant blend of nostalgia and innovation. For those who love classic cars but want the reliability and technology of today, this car is a dream come true. If you're a fan of the original, this new version is sure to ignite that passion all over again. Thanks for tuning in to Drive Pulse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us